Hey, good morning. Today is another fun paint day. Going to do a open cup kind of drag and fiddle, and you can see the colors down there. They're all Liquitex except for the Amsterdam White. I think I've got a little pre-mixed yellow that I might throw into that mix. So this is a do-over canvas. I primered it a couple days ago, so I thought I'd see if I could do something fun today. So I'll be back momentarily after I get the white down, and we'll see if we can have some fun. Oh, here we are. Take the caps off. I guess I should have done that before I started. Sorry about that. For heaven's sakes. Okay. Let's put a little pillow down of white. I guess we'll start maybe about there. Looks as good as place as any, doesn't it? And get up my favorite little twister. Maybe I need a little bit more paint on there, because if it gets up, it needs to be able to lift off and have some paint to bubble under. Okay, let's have some fun. I think I have the paints laid out in the color I want to put them down in. And well, let's start with the pretty one here. That was Blue Violet. This one is Burnt Umber. This one is Red Oxide. You're probably thinking these are some strange colors to use, but I was thinking there may be a little southwestern type of feel to it. Raw Sienna. And Light Blue. And Liftoff. And this is a little bit of raw umber that I had left over from another project. And this is a mixed yellow with some two different yellows, I think. Can't remember what they were. Ooh, we're getting some good. You know, I forgot to put a little white in there. I guess it's not too late, is it? Would be if... Alrighty. Let's repeat the process again. A touch of Blue Violet. You can see I've got a lot of the violet coming through on the pour up. Ooh, looks like a little elephant snot. Okay, I'm going to add a little more white in here. And the light blue. Let's see. I think I'm just kind of mixing them up now. And the light blue. And the light blue. Okay. Let's just do this for a second. See what we end up with. Okay. How about the butane? Yeah, I had a couple of bubbles there. You might have seen them popped. All right. Now, the question becomes, how do I want to tip this? And I am looking for, what did I do with them? Okay, I thought I had, I'm going to try the little corner keep it from going over the edge this time, and I'm going to try that. See if I can get this in there instead of not waste as much paint until I'm ready to waste it, if that makes sense. You know, come over this side. I wonder what would happen if I turned my lights on so you could see better. Oh, Richard, you know, we've got fires almost everywhere up here in Washington and Oregon. And it's so gray and dark outside. Or not gray, it's actually kind of a yellow-brown. Horrid. A lot of bad stuff going on in this country, unfortunately. Very unfortunate. Okay, I think I will come down.
Frustrating because you think, if anything, we should all be on the same team, and the goal should be to let everyone receive the medication that they need. But unfortunately, for whatever reason, it's not the case.
At Government Meds, we bring the entire network to the table to solve patients' greatest medication access challenges. We build solutions that replace manual processes with accuracy and efficiency. Together, we help patients get the medications they need to live healthy lives. Click the banner to learn more about our medication access solutions.
Hey QFC shoppers, now through September 22nd, you can make your fall a little more fun with 4 times the fuel points on gift cards. Just download your coupon online or on the QFC app, and then choose gift cards from exciting stores, restaurants, streaming services, and more. Restrictions apply.
There's not much to say with this. It's just doing what it wants to do. Okay. I think it's safe to say I've got this pretty well covered. Yeah, I'm not sure. Coming down a little slower here. I'm going to let that sit for a minute. and see what it, oops, guess I need to get some on my corners here. Okay, I got it all over my fingers. Okay, let's let that sit for a second. I think I'll use the torch on it, okay? Got to get it off my hands first. Well, we have some interesting interaction. Crazy looking, huh? Yeah. Those are some southwestern colors, I guess. That's the way I'm feeling about it anyway. All right, I'm going to turn this off and let the paint intermingle with itself, and let's see what we can come up with. I'll be back momentarily, and we'll maybe fiddle a little bit more together. This is Richard saying stand by, please. Yeah, well, I fiddled it a little bit with the stirring stick and did a couple of lines in there. I'll do a few more smaller ones with my number 2 pencil and give this a little bit of movement. The colors are, to me, are southwestern, and I'm sure somebody would find them very enjoyable in their environment. It's not something I would necessarily gravitate to. I just realized it didn't have my mic on. Shame on me. I was just saying that these are southwestern colors. I'm sure somebody would find them interesting. As not something I would gravitate to necessarily, but it's nice to do things that are different. So I'm just fiddling with it to possibly give it a little bit of dimension and some movement. Yeah. So it's evolving a little bit. The paint is still interacting a wee bit, and I think it will possibly continue for a little bit longer. At least I hope it will. And I will pull this for us. I'll stop for the moment. And I say that, and here I go. Let my fingers continue to do something goofy. There. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. Turn the volume and the video off, and maybe fiddle a little bit more, and then we'll wrap it up with a couple of still shots up close, and you can see what I did today. And every day is a fun pour, even if you have to end up doing it as a do-over. Who cares? We just get to keep doing it. So this is Richard B. saying thanks for watching, and we'll do a little wrap-up here in a second. Well, here's a little bit of a close-up. I'll just come in as slow as I can, show you some of the colors. And yes, I did some number 2 pencil work just to give it some movement, a little eye candy, whatever you want to call it. The colors are southwestern. That's what I'm going to call them, southwestern colors. And yeah, it's fun. It was fun. And fun is what it's about as far as I'm concerned. So I'll take a still shot, try to figure out my lighting. I tell you, probably I'd turn that light away and see what that looks like at a difference when I view the video. Anyway, this is Richard B. saying, again, thank you for watching my channel. It'll watch me have fun, and maybe you'll get some ideas. I surely get ideas by watching the other artists and how they perform their magic. So it's a great hobby. It's a good art form. So this is Richard saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.